morning, everybody. Marty here with Camping Forever, and in today's video, as promised, I'm going to give you a complete tour of Vanna. Vanna the van. Since we did the remodel this past week, there's been quite a few changes, so I'm just going to fill you in on everything and give you a good look around. As you can see, I got the solar panels out. Got some good sun today, so we should be soaking up quite a bit of sun. And we're just gonna take a quick look inside, and I'm gonna show you all the cool changes that I got done. So as you can see, I got my buddy heater mounted here. I saw this done online in a couple different videos, and it worked out really well, because that position right there could really heat up the area good. With winter coming, I figured it'd be good to go ahead and get that done. So I got the buddy heater mounted. Now over here, this is my food bins. This is stuff that I use regularly when I get to the campsite. I've got my paper plates and my seasonings and things like that. Now I'm going to do a video about my daily routine later, but for right now I'm just going to show you. This top one here is the one I get into every morning when I get up. I can get in here. I've got my Axe body spray, I've got my hairbrush and my coffee mug, just things like that. Deodorant, gotta have deodorant on the road. Just things like that. That's personal hygiene stuff in that top one. And then right here I've got my seasonings, salt and pepper, and paper plates, and the things that I use more often. Down here I've got my cooking spray and not saran wrap, but aluminum foil for the grill, a couple more paper plates, and a few snacks. And down here I got my bread, and these are things I don't get into a whole lot, so I've got it set up in order of how I use things on a daily basis. I've got my Reflectix. I've still got the Reflectix up on the doors here, but I did take them down on the other side, and I'll show you more about that in a minute. But right now I want to show you this right here. This is something really freaking cool. Okay, my wife got me this for my birthday, and it's DC. It just plugs in your cigarette lighter, and this thing opens up like this, and it looks like a cooler inside, and you can set it right here. You can set it for cool or warm, so you can heat stuff up in here, or you can set it to cool and put a few drinks in there. And it just runs off DC. You plug it in your cigarette lighter, and it's big enough, you know, you could put a few drinks in there and you know, whatever else. But it's also a warmer. I thought that was really cool. And of course, you know, the lid's got drink holders. But I'm gonna be using this. That's really neat. It's lightweight, it's small, it's compact, fits right into van life. So okay, over here, I'm gonna climb up in here. I don't know how well the lighting is, but got my two solar batteries down there. They're 12-volt batteries. I've got them paralleled, and here's my inverter, and I've got my solar charge controller right there. And right now we're picking up, right now I'm at 12.5. I've got 4 panels out in direct sunlight, so that'll be going up here shortly. It is a 12-volt system, but here I've just got some towels, washcloths, things like that. This right here I put in for just like miscellaneous things, and I really don't have much in there right now, but as you accumulate things, you got it right there. This is where I keep all my clothes. socks, underwear, stuff like that, shorts, blue shorts and blue jeans, and you know, just this is just my clothes rack. Right here I've got my hiking gear. This is what I use when I go hiking. You've seen me use this at gosh, I can't even think of the name of it now. Black Rock Mountain State Park. I did that hike around the lake there. So this comes in handy. It's got the water bag in it. I just hang it right there. Up here I keep tools. This is where I keep my tools at. Just a few tools that I use on a regular basis is what I keep up here. Now these are compartments. I keep, you know, some plates and bowls and books and, you know, whatnot up there. And there's nothing over there yet. Now I do have this solar light right here, and it works really, really well. It's really bright. It lights up this whole space quite easily. But one of the changes that I made was I put my solar panels over here when they're not out in the sun. I got them right here, and I keep them in these protective boxes that they came in. Just try to take care of them as best I can and keep them in that. Got my walking sticks back here for my hiking gear. And now this table right here was connected to this table right here. If you remember, it was long ways right here. And so I just separated the two tables, put one on each side. This is going to be for my cooking stuff. I've got my stove right here, and underneath here I keep, you know, a few pots and pans and things that I'll need for that. Underneath down here, got my heater and a light. I put this stuff down when I'm driving. Got some movies. This is my Bluetooth speaker that connects to my TV. And as you can see, I'm going to sit back over here. So if you're laying in the bed, like I am right now, you can sit here and watch TV. Really convenient. That screen turns and pivots, so you can adjust it any way you want to, really. Now my electrical, on the electrical side, you can see I've got the 6-way right there, and it runs to a cord over here. Now this cord comes in from the outside. When I'm hooked up at a campsite, I can just run it right through this window right here and plug it up, and that will power the whole van here. So that worked out really well. I'm pleased with that. Now I've also got an outlet over here that I use to charge up my phone from the outside. When I got my camp chairs out or whatever, I've got a little power outlet right there I can use. So that worked out good. Now over here, this is that other table that I split off. What I did was I got some alien tape, that clear, you can look it up online. It's called alien tape. It's clear and it's double-sided, super sticky tape. And I put it on the corners of these things here, and it really keeps them steady. Just keep headphones, electronic stuff. And so this down here is just more drawers, snacks. I keep my coffee, my creamer, a few snacks in there. Just miscellaneous type things in that one. Got my iPad right here. I need to bring it in. So yeah, that's just like a miscellaneous catch-all drawer. Everybody's got to have one of those, right? But anyway, that's the tour of the inside. I'm going to take you outside, and I'm going to show you the back part. I got the doors open now, as you can see, and ready for us to take a look. So let's climb out of here. And oh yeah, here's my stickers, guys. Red Top Mountain and Ruby Falls. Remember those videos? My GoPro. Hiked it, liked it, Don Carter State Park. Black Rock Mountain State Park. So yeah, my kids got together and got me the GoPro. I'm sure you saw the video on that. That's what I'm using right now, and that's what I've been using. I've used this used this thing a lot. I had a sticker for Moccasin Creek State Park, but it blew off. I guess I didn't have it on there good or whatever. But I got to get another one for Moccasin Creek State Park. That was one of the other ones that I went to. Let's come around here. The trunk. What I call the trunk. The trunk area. Okay, this is something I wanted to show you too. When we turn this bed around, we also increase the leg size. You can see it right here, which raised the bed up maybe 2 or 3 inches. That gave me a lot more space under here to store stuff. So I've got my grill back over there, my charcoal, and tools, a lot of tools right there, my electrical cord that comes in the back window here to plug up here. And man, that got dirty. That fell out earlier. And my walking stick, I made that. But I got my camp chairs. I got 2 camp chairs here. But yeah, that just opened up a lot of space under the bunk there that I can store stuff. This is just the bed frame that I built. It's just 2x4s and plywood. And then I've got this foam to go on top to protect the air mattress. And then here I've got the air mattress. And right here is a 4-inch piece of foam that lays across that air mattress. So it makes it super, super comfortable. I've slept in it and man, I just slept so good. Super comfortable bed. That's very important out here on the road, that you have a really comfortable bed. You know, recharge your batteries. So yeah, I mean, I just lay my head down at that end and watch TV right up there. That's a good view. Laying in bed, you can just sit here and watch TV. It's really cool. I love this setup. I really do. I'm really pleased with it. It opened up so much more space that I didn't even know was there. I was not using the space correctly the way it was set up. So anyway, guys, the next, I'm going to wrap up the North Georgia Loop with Victoria Bryant State Park. That's all the way on the other side of North Georgia from where I am. So I guess it's maybe an hour away, hour and a half. I'm not sure. But that's going to be my next destination, is Victoria Bryant State Park. So I'm going to be headed over that way and make the last video in this North Georgia Loop. So I really appreciate you guys joining me along on this venture, and there's going to be many more to come. I'm already planning my next trips, so I'll have more on that later as I finalize some plans and get things together and set a plan in motion. But as for right now, thank you guys for joining me on this trip, and I hope to see more of you. So tell your friends about this van life situation I'm in, and join me on this journey. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button for me. It really helps me out. Until next time, this is the Friday video, so you'll have another one Monday. I'm here at base camp right now, so I've got Wi-Fi. I may even slip a couple more in this weekend. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay safe, happy, healthy, and free, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks, guys.